Now, when it comes to the holidays, I really enjoy drinking spirits that kind of, I don't know, they just taste like Christmas. And one of those spirits for me is Benedictine. I don't know what it is about the herbs and spices that are used in this liqueur that just really get me all warm and fuzzy inside. You know what I'm saying? But look, I'm not alone because my pal Rob over at Rob's Home Bar feels the same way. He loves Benedictine during the holiday seasons, and there's nobody I know that loves Christmas as much as me and Rob. I mean, maybe besides Santa Claus. But anyway, so what me and Rob are gonna do for you guys is we're gonna go ahead and make you a bunch of Benedictine cocktails, okay? So on my video today, I'm gonna make you these 2 Benedictine cocktails, and he's gonna join me on this video and make you guys another Benedictine cocktail. And then over on his channel, he's gonna make 2 more Benedictine cocktails, and I'm gonna make a little guest appearance and make one myself, right, folks? So that is 6 Benedictine cocktails for you guys to enjoy during the holiday season. You might need to get yourself a new bottle of Benedictine. Maybe you can ask Santa for a bottle. There you go. See, now Vino gave you an idea. Anyway, folks, before we go ahead and make these Benedictine cocktails for you, I'm gonna need you to do me a favor. Look, it's the Christmas time, right? It's the Christmas season of giving. So I need you guys to go ahead and give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can help Vino feed the hungry algorithm, and make sure you stick around because we're gonna boogie down. All right, so the first Benedictine cocktail that I'm gonna make for you guys is this bad boy right here called Painted Lady, and this one comes to us from my favorite cocktail blogger, Frederick Yarm of the Cocktail Virgin. Let us look at what is in the sauce. All right, so the next Benedictine cocktail I'm gonna make for you guys is this bad boy right here called Ironbound, and it comes to us from Mayur, Subbaro. And I gotta tell you something, this was not an ingredient list that I expected to ever see in my life, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys, all right? Let us look at what is in the sauce. All right, so before we give these 2 bad boys a sippy sip, let's see what my pal Rob of Rob's Home Bar has in store for us.
What's up, home bartenders? What's up, Vino? And do I have an awesome Benedictine cocktail for you that uses some of my favorite ingredients, including Benedictine and smoky Scotch. This is the 100-year-old cigar. So this one starts with an aged rum, an ounce and 3/4, odd measurement. I'm gonna use this Havana Club Cuban Smoky because it is a smoky drink. We may as well smoke the rum as well. So an ounce and 3/4 of your aged rum. After that, we're going with Amaro Cynar. So I know, Vino, this is one of your favorite Amaros. So yeah, and I love this one too. It's a great one. So it's just half an ounce. You could probably substitute for another Amaro, but if you got Cynar, that's the way to go. Finally, star of the show, Benedictine. Love that liqueur. That is my favorite liqueur. Beautifully spicy and aromatic, delicious. So half an ounce of Benedictine goes in the glass as well. And then finally, we want some Islay Scotch. I'm using this Ardbeg Wee Beastie 5-year-old. Just 1/4 ounce of Islay is what we need in the glass. That's enough to give it a nice smoky bouquet. It's gonna be delicious. And finally, just a dash of Angostura. Give it some ice. We're gonna start stirring. Give it the creepy face while you stir. And then we want to atomize, wait a second. We want to spritz a glass with some absinthe. My atomizer wasn't working there. And then we're going to pour it in. This one needs no garnish. And there it is, the 100-year-old cigar. All right, the 100-year-old cigar. Let's give it a taste. On the nose, you actually get the absinthe and the smoke from the Islay. It's beautiful. Ooh. Wow, there's a lot going on there. Wonderful Amaro notes from the Cynar, all those spices from the Benedictine. It's nice and sweet, bittersweet. You get the smoke from the Islay. It really, even that 1/4 ounce really punches through. And you do get the rum. Well, the rum is kind of buried under everything, but it is there as a nice base layer for the drink. This is a really good sipper. Oh, I'll definitely be making this one again. Cheers, everyone. Cheers, Vino. Back to you.
All right, Rob, I gotta be honest with you, that sounds pretty damn delicious, man. And you know I'm not too big into the smoky cocktails, but you know why? You have me at Cynar, brother. Anyway, listen, so let's go ahead and give our 2 cocktails a sippy sip, starting with the Painted Lady. Cheers. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. So on the nose, you're getting the absinthe, obviously. You know, those anise notes are gonna really kind of warm up the nostrils a bit, kind of open things up for you a little bit. And then on the palate, you're getting the gin, you know, you're getting the bitterness from the Cynar, so you're getting the, you know, all those botanicals, and then the bitterness from the Cynar, just kind of really playing around in your mouth and stuff like that. This is a nice little cocktail. Then the Benedictine too. So a lot of spices, a lot of, you know, herbs and spices going on with this one. Oh yeah. But what I like about it is that the apple brandy helps to kind of bring it all back down together. So you have all these herbs and spices playing around, and they're there and they're dominating the cocktail. But the apple brandy is helping to add a little more, roundness to the cocktail. You know what I'm saying? So that things don't get too out of control here. All right? Anyway, guys, let's go ahead and try the Ironbound, which to me is a cocktail that just makes no sense, but I cannot wait to try it. I love it. I love it. Cheers. Right in the nose, I'm getting the Cachaca. You know, this Cachaca is definitely one of the more funkier Cachacas you're gonna find. Oh yeah. That is much better than it has any right being. It is really, really good. Definitely not something that you probably ever had in your mouth before, guys. I mean, I don't know how that came out, but you know what I mean. This is really good. You know, you're getting those banana funky notes from the Novo Fogo because it has really big earthy notes on that as well. But you know, it's really got this really nice finish with the Benedictine adding just enough herbal spices at the end. And then again, the apple brandy, it kind of helps bring it all back in. It helps round everything out, provide a little more balance so nothing gets too out of control. It adds some beautiful, warm, kind of, you know, fall notes to it as well because, you know, with those apple notes and whatnot. This is really good, guys. Look, so 2 really nice Benedictine cocktails. Really, like, these are sippers, guys. These are the type of drinks that you make yourself, you throw on the fireplace and you throw on some Frank Sinatra and you just chill, listening to some Christmas tunes, you know, and have yourself a beautiful nightcap. These are delicious drinkers cocktails. I hope you guys have an opportunity to make them, right, folks? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Happy holidays.